Check that. It's more sticky. And I add more onion, garlic, and bell pepper. And here's our spring roll. Wow, check. Yeah. Wow. Hello mga friendship, gagawa tayo ng spring roll dynamite. Here the beef, I marinate this one for overnight, and then of course we will add chili peppers, very hot. This is jalapeno, 1 carrot, 1 potato, 2 eggs, and tomorrow when we're wrapping we add cheese. And here's our pastry roll. Okay, and of course guys, we don't forget celery fresh from the garden, garlic and onion, and I will add maple syrup also, and then chili. Mix already the carrots there and potato. Celery plant, our celery plant, the chili, some celery again, kale, and some chili. Oh god. Now everything mixed here, the chili, the cheese, onion, celery, everything. Then we will mix and marinate. Tomorrow we will wrap it. So now guys, good morning. We're ready to wrap our spring roll. So here this spring roll is 24 pieces. So me, this one is square like that, and now I will cut, to save money, just for here in the house. We're just eating, so I cut into like that, half. So okay, now we will start. If you want to add more more spicy, more hot chili, then add more. Then there's cheese. It's more yummy. More cheese, more yummy. So here our wrapper is not really good. It's broken, so I will don't throw that one. I will use deseeded, remove the seeds, put that, and we will put the meat. Here's the meat. And we will wrap that one. Okay. It's actually, I will show you the next one, because this one is broken wrapper. Check that. Yeah, we will fix that one. So we fix that one. I move it here when there's a hole, and then we roll it. See, it's more okay now, because this one is the first sheet of spring roll wrapper here. That's why it's not good. It's good to broken, so that one, it's good. I fixed it. So now here's our second sheet. The trick here, it's already written here in the package how you stay moist your, will not dry your spring roll pastry. So you need the damp cloth. That's why I did not throw the plastic. I still stay that one there uncover. That's why this spring roll is expensive, because it's tricky, the other one. So now let's continue this. Ok, on va dire en français. La laine soit humide et mouillée pour que cette feuille de rouleau printemps n'a pas séché. Alors, ça, n'est pas jeter les feuilles, faites ça, après ça, couvert. Couvre. So, let's continue. On va continuer ici. Pas, il y a beaucoup de... C'est correct, ça. Tu peux utiliser n'importe quel fromage, mais qu'est-ce que j'ai utilisé? Le fromage hot dog. Ok, on ajoute bien. Les viandes sont là. Regarde, des jalapeno, fromage, puis la viande. Isa unroll. Unroll. Ici là, faut fermer, mais de l'eau ici. On va mettre de l'eau. C'est pas ça, honey. It's water or egg whites. L'eau et œuf blanc. Et ça, c'est scellé. Ça, c'est fermé. Pas comme ça, on va mettre ici. On va prendre un autre. Ah, ça, c'est très compliqué. Ok. Ça. Oh, ici. Il y a deux côtés dans cette feuille, soit belle, mais l'autre est lisse. Mais c'est... Ouais, tu vas voir ça. Puis ici, parce que le jalapeno c'est rouge, alors j'ai coupé un petit morceau. I cut little strips like that because it's red and it's très piquant, très spicy. Si la rouge c'est très spicy, c'est bien là. Un autre viande. Maintenant c'est plus long. Okay.
Okay.
Quoi que? My husband is there making his coffee, making noise. And the cat is already, I feed already the cat, so there's no noise of the cat. Okay. It's difficult, guys, working with one hand and taking a film. Okay, good. Now it's enough. So I have 3 now. So this one here, we will not put chili and extra cheese because here in our marinated meat yesterday, there's already cheese there and some chili. Chili. The jalapenos are there already made. The jalapenos are already there, so we're not putting extra cheese and chili strips like that, so that it's okay. Then we roll it, and this is the last before I will do it fast because this is not easy. Rolling is not easy. Huh? Very beautiful. Check that. And this one here, guys, it's more longer so that we can save, you know, the wrapper. I show you more option how to save money, you know. But if you are sealing this one, it's up to you. Gosh, okay. The trick for to save money. Okay, this one. And after that, we're cutting this one. We cut into half. So here's, I told you guys, there's the side here. Here is more rough, and here is more beautiful. So we put where's the wrap surface of the spring roll. And then, as I told you, this one is another one. I make it long so that we will cut it. Okay, like that we can save wrapper and we can make more spring roll. So I will show two. Now we small more, yeah, same long. We cut that one, then we will fry. Now we have that. We have that, and then we put here. So okay, that's fine. Then continue. So now, guys, we will fry. Fry that one. This one, the one I cut. One here. Another one here. And this one is the first one we did, the one with the hole that I fixed. We put it here. And then let's do it like that. Okay, once it floats, it's ready. Okay. Now they are floating already, so it means it's cooked. Okay. Guys, my husband is eating the dynamite. Il s'appelle dynamite et mange le rouleau prenta avec des piments piquants très très fort. Check. It's yummy, hein? With fromage. No reaction?
C'est quoi la réaction? Bon, c'est piqué un petit peu.
Oui, un petit peu pour toi parce que tu n'es pas habitué avec les piments. Ay, the chili! Eat the chili! Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Cannot talk. So that's what he's doing, guys. He's helping me to. He's the one frying, and I'm the one preparing all here. Hey, yummy piquant spring roll, loro prenta tre piquant. Yeah, the same big like that. We can do also one whole sheet doing wrapping. Do it like that. Okay, and we put our meat here. Anything you want, suitable, long, comfortable. So, je peux pas couper. Okay, the jalapeno strips. You know, if you cut this one into half, oh, it's broken. It's fine. So you have it like that big. So we do it again. Okay. Check. Okay. The water. Then we will fry this one. That one we will fry. So now this one is floating, so it means it's cooked already. Check, it's golden brown. So what if your spring roll is as hard, spring roll wrapper is as hard as like this? So you boil your water, and then you know this one likes humidity, and then it's that trick. Or check that, you can do it like that now. Then we can continue wrapping. Check. You can fold now because this one likes humidity. So when it turns to hard, it will hard. So just warm that one into boiling water, so you're good to go. So now we can continue wrapping our spring roll. Okay. really hard. But at least you don't waste, you don't throw it because it's hard. You just use the boiling water to make it soft. You know, he likes humid. So all the hard wrapper is there already, looking good. So we don't throw anything. Yeah, check that. We don't throw. So here guys, let's do homemade sweet chili sauce. So here's the garlic, and this one is bell pepper, but I don't throw these seeds of the jalapeno. We will use this one as spicy, hot spicy. Okay. Yeah, and of course we need vinegar. So in here, let's put water, vinegar, and our maple syrup. Then this one, let's put it there. Let's put our garlic. Let's boil that one. It's cooked already. Wow. Oh yeah, I forgot. Let's put these seeds of the jalapeno so that it's spicy hot. Check that, the onion. Okay, and then we put slurry after. Now it's boiling. I will add some jalapeno slice. Check that. And we put some salt. In here, about 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 1/8 cup ml of water. Then we mix that one. So we will add to our slurry, to that mixture there, and then we will stir. You can add more slurry, more cornstarch if you want more sticky your homemade sauce, but that's the basic only I'm teaching you guys. More sticky, more cornstarch. More cornstarch, more sticky. Yes. Check, sticky right away. Now it's more sticky because I add more cornstarch, slurry. Yeah, it's ready. That's what effect. Yeah, there's a leftover, so we'll frozen this one, and I will do a shomai for this steam. What's that steam? Shomai. Okay, check. It's yummy. That's the leftover left of the ground meat mixture for our spring roll. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. Bye bye.